Hey there, kids! Welcome to my pond. I'm Freddy the Frog, your friendly amphibian buddy. I've got some hopping good fun facts about frogs to share with you today. Are you ready for some riveting stories? Let's dive in! Did you know there are over 7,000 types of frogs in the world? Yup, we're like the superstars of the amphibian world. From tiny frogs as small as a fingernail to giant ones as big as a football, frogs are everywhere except Antarctica. Too cold for us there. And guess what? Some frogs are true fashionistas. Take the glass frog, for example. It's see-through. You can literally see its insides, heart, stomach, and all. Imagine if you could see what's inside your sandwich before you eat it. Weird, right? Now, here's something wild. Frogs don't drink water like you do. Nope, no sippy cups for us. We absorb water through our skin. It's like having a built-in straw all over your body. Fancy, right? Here's a fun one. Did you know that some frogs can fly? Well, not like airplanes, but there's a frog called the Wallace's flying frog that glides through the air using its webbed feet like parachutes. Imagine me soaring through the sky like a superhero, Froggy Man to the rescue. And let's talk about our tongues. Frogs have the ultimate snack catchers. Our tongues are sticky, super stretchy, and incredibly fast. In fact, our tongues shoot out and catch bugs faster than you can blink. Want to know something even cooler? We use our eyeballs to swallow. Yep, we push our eyes down to help shove food into our tummies. It's like having built-in forks on our faces. Speaking of food, did you know some frogs are picky eaters? Most of us love insects, but there's a frog in Central America that only eats termites. Termites for breakfast, termites for lunch, termites for dinner. Sounds like a boring menu, right? And here's something super intriguing. The poison dart frog. These little guys are tiny but mighty. They carry enough poison to scare away even the biggest animals. But don't worry, they're only dangerous if you mess with them. So, no poking frogs, okay? Before I hop away, here's my favorite fact. Frogs were around when dinosaurs roamed the earth. That's right, we're like ancient time travelers who've stuck around to tell the tale. Pretty cool, right? Well, kids, that's all for now. I've got to hop off and catch some dinner. Remember, frogs might be small, but we're full of surprises. Stay curious, keep exploring, and never stop learning.